dog.
Hello, everyone. It's nice to see you again. Do you enjoy this 80 foods class? Great! Me too. Today's food is a hot dog. Look at the picture. This is a hot dog. We can see ketchup and mustard on the hot dog. Let's study some words to start.
Pickle. The things on the plate are pickles. We make them from cucumbers. We keep cucumbers in vinegar or salt water for a few days, and they become pickles. We usually cut pickles into pieces to eat them easily. Mustard. The yellow paste is mustard. It has different flavors, from sweet to spicy. We use it as sauce, usually with meat. The most common food to put mustard on is a hot dog.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Mustard. Pickle.
Now it's time to read. After you read it, you will take a quiz.
Do you know what a hot dog is? It's a cooked sausage on a bun. The bun is called a hot dog bun. Some stuff is put on the sausage. Pickles, onions, ketchup, and mustard are things people put on it. Where do you go for a hot dog? Have you seen hot dog trucks on some streets?
What is a hot dog? A cooked sausage. A truck. What is true? Ketchup is stuff we put on a hot dog. Some trucks are made of hot dogs.
What do you drink when you eat hot dogs? Soda, juice, or just water? This is the end of our lesson about hot dogs. See you next class. Goodbye.